Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to start with the brightspace learning interface. To start it up, go to dlo.mijnhavia.nl and log in with your email and the given passwords that fits with your email. And after you log in, you are directed to the homepage of Brightspace. We want to start out with checking your course. So go to Course Selector and you will be redirected to a page where you can find your course. Again, log in with your email address and given password. Go to the option AMFI. Amsterdam Fashion Institute English Program Bachelor's Full-Time. It goes for Dutch and English classes to press these buttons. So press all 4 of them and these will show up in your courses at Brightspace Learning Interface. So if we go back to the main page, you see here that 2020-2021 is added to your courses, and every notification update from your teacher or the program in itself will be in these courses. So for redo, check my gen redo. For the final, check the final. Now you also want these to be notified to your email. So if you have an update, you won't be able to miss it. As you see here at contact methods, my email is already placed. I don't know if that's for you as well, but try to have the correct email there. You can choose to have a daily or weekly updates. Press email unless you really want to have it on your phone as well, and press all the announcements, assignments, the content, and also the grades, so you can see your grades in your email. And lastly, also go to the customize notifications and press the include my grade value in notification from grades and allow future courses to send me a notification. After you press all these buttons, press save and you will be once again redirected to the main page of DLO Brightspace Learning Interface. After this, we want to check if we did it all correctly and see our notifications and announcements. And now it's time for our roster/timetable. So press the button under the Mine HVA and here you will see the roster interface. If you haven't logged in yet, log in. If you want to add a timetable, press the button in the upper corner right, add timetable, and then press group. Type here your class, and you've got an email about this, so I will write it now for you. FDMCY, low bar, AP, and then your class. So for internationals, that's always with an E at the end for international. Set the timetable and you will see the planned schedule for what has already been planned. After this, go back to the main page and we will now take a look at your at the sys interface of HVA. So go to your grades/marks, press the button and you will be redirected to the sys.hva.nl web page. Here you see your study progress, your results, your grades, the study in generally, and your application status. Take a look at all of these buttons and just see what's out there. And also just take a look at Brightspace to see what's up with the learning interface, because you will be working from this the whole first year. Thank you.